Okay, lava... lava things. I don't know what to call them. There's lava, or are they... Why do we call them lava? I mean, they're red lasers. They're not lava, but everyone calls them lava, right? Or is that just me? No, no, you call them... Well, no, kill bricks. Kill bricks are different than lava bricks, because lava bricks kill... But are these lava bricks? Or are they just kill bricks that kill you instantly? What do you call them? Am I the only person that calls them lava bricks? How do you guys call them lava bricks? I'm having an existential crisis, but only about lava bricks.